Honorable ICT Advisor, Mr. Shajiv was a joy, told us focus on data security, data localization, data privacy, and data sovereignty. And who also told us to focus on 4 frontier technologies. Those are artificial intelligence, microchip designing, cybersecurity, and robotics. So this is how we started thinking about setting up our own data center, and then we decided to set up a company to give the freedom to our board to do some new things and so take some risky decisions, which is forward-looking. And this is how we actually came through this point. And let me answer to your question that after achieving the Vision 2021's Digital Bangladesh successfully, if you talk about 2008, we were barely a technological developed nation. From that position, we have come a long way, but still we want to go far, and that is why, based on the success of Digital Bangladesh, we have our new vision envisioned by Honorable Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina to build Smart Bangladesh based on 4 pillars, which are smart citizens, smart government, smart economy, and smart society. Honorable Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina explained her vision, how we could develop our next generation as creative, innovative, and also problem-solving generations. And also we are trying to create cashless, interoperable transaction system. At the same time, Honorable ICT Advisor guided us to make all of our government services paperless and interconnected. And last pillar is inclusive, knowledge-based society. So this is how we are planning to build a smart Bangladesh by 2041.
It's incredibly impressive, and as you've said, the Prime Minister's leadership has been unwavering, and more importantly, ahead of the vision. Because at that level of leadership, you must show the light of the path and then allow people to create it. So I congratulate you, and I also think the Prime Minister deserves congratulations for seeing the fruits of that labor begin to appear today. Thank you. So thank you for being here, and I guess one of the things that I'd like to ask you, this is more or less technical. We've been working on this for a number of years, and we've been through some challenges of getting equipment across an ocean and getting through economic and border environments and getting people skilled up. As they say, a journey is composed of thousands of steps, not just a step. And we've taken a big step to be where we are here today. What are some of the emotions that you're experiencing now that at least the first steps have been taken and we're opening up today? Please share that with us.
I would say I'm really excited and a little bit emotional today because it's a 3 years journey when we decided to have our government cloud. It was really difficult task for us to explain about this project before our Economic Affairs Cabinet Committee, then our Government Affairs Cabinet Committee. But we are really fortunate to have so knowledgeable and matured leadership in our cabinet. So we were able to explain and convince them to get approval for this project. And I am really thankful to all of our cabinet members who approved our project and our proposals in the cabinet. At the same time, I would say every journey starts from a single first step. So I don't want to stop here. So rather, I would say this is a new journey starting today because we have a journey to reach 2041 Smart Bangladesh vision. We need to fulfill that. And many of our initiatives and projects will be hosted and managed here in this Bangladesh Government Cloud. And I'm really excited to see so many other organizations, other solutions will be coming to host their services at our cloud, because currently we are hosting 14 ministries, different organizations, data, services, softwares, and platforms. But I would like to request other ministries and other government organizations to also come here and give us the responsibility to store their data, to make that data and services secure.
It's a tremendous ambition, and I will commit that the Oracle infrastructure and the Oracle team is here to support you in that initiative. And you brought up a very important point, to store the data both efficiently, but more importantly, even securely. And that is something that you will have unwavering focus from Oracle. We as a company are paranoid about security. We think about it every day, all day, nonstop. And we understand that data is extremely valuable, but also, if used in the wrong way, it can be extremely harmful. So the architecture of this cloud that we are now partnering on is the service level commitment for security to be always on, to scale with the fastest networks in the world, to deliver a service that will be allowing your innovators to deliver more with less. And so we're committed to that, and we will continue to focus on that with you. Minister, one of the big topics in the world, and we read about it every day, is artificial intelligence, or also known as AI. How do you plan to tackle the next AI frontier with the Bangladesh government cloud?
Nowadays, everyone is talking about AI, and we are regularly using ChatGPT and many other AI tools for doing our regular tasks. But in near future, we will see that many more activities and works will be done by AI. And that is why 7-8 years back, Honorable ICT Advisor, Mr. Joy, guided us to focus on AI. And now we have decided to introduce AI tools for government service delivery process. And recently we have taken 4 pilot projects in Smart Bangladesh initiative under the Smart Bangladesh task force under ICT division. We have already developed a small AI tool that is Constitution GPT, which is generative predictive transformer. And also we are planning to develop Education GPT, Health GPT, and Investment GPT. And for hosting all these AI-powered services and solutions, we need capacity. And I'm really confident that we have that capacity now after having Oracle's dedicated region here in our data center. I would like to share with you that within few months, we'll be able to introduce all these 4 government GPT operational and functional. It would be public very soon. And also we are studying that what are the other areas where we could utilize AI tools to provide seamless services at the fingertips of our citizens. And our Honorable Law and Legislative Minister guided us a few months back that we need to focus and introduce our AI law. And Honorable ICT Advisor guided us to develop AI policy first, then law secondary. So we have already developed our first draft on AI policy. So we are focusing on research development, education, awareness, threat analysis, and also setting up development center. I would really, I would love to share that in my recent meeting with CEO of Oracle, Safra, I proposed her to set up AI development center supported by Oracle. And Rubaba Appa mentioned in his introductory speech that we have decided to set up Center of Excellence on e-government service delivery. And also we are going to organize a hackathon jointly, Oracle and ICT division, to harvest the ideas from the young innovators and entrepreneurs, and also we are really happy, and I'm proud to say that we are going to introduce some certification and diploma courses with the help of Oracle Academy and Oracle University. So by this way, we are trying to develop our AI expert skills, and also at the same time, we are focusing on reskilling our fresh graduates. And under ICT division, with the support of World Bank, we have already introduced hire and training program on frontier technologies, where AI is going to play a very vital role.
That is tremendously exciting, and you've answered many of the questions I was thinking about, which is you're going to work with the universities to create an environment for learning, to deliver and build skill sets. You're going to create an environment for your startups and your innovators, ISVs, through giving them infrastructure so that they can access this cloud and build on it. You're going to work with an array of ministries, and it is so impressive, and thank you for the ministers for coming today. It is so great to see this level of support, and the Honorable Prime Minister committing to the future of Bangladesh, but enabling with tools like technology. I think one of the things that we should also recognize is that beyond Oracle, you have the support. The ambassador from the United States is here today. We've got the Bangladesh Data Center executive leadership here today. This is going to take a community. We're going to work to transform a nation, and that's not a light commitment. So I wanted to make sure that everyone here, and you especially, see that Oracle is committed. We're going to focus, and we're going to work with you in support of these ambitions, and we're going to measure every day, every week, every month, every year, because the journey is, as you said, it's thousands of steps, and we'll have good steps and maybe some bumpy steps, but we're here to work with you and committed to the future of yourself and your citizens. So, Minister Palak, thank you for the fantastic conversation. We appreciate your leadership and your trust, as well as your confidence in Oracle. I'd also like to recognize and thank everyone who has played a part in bringing us to this point. A big, big thank you to the Bangladesh Data Center Company Limited. Thank you so much for your commitment, incredible focus, and partnership. And I'd also like to recognize the Oracle employees who, without their effort, could not have come together for this event today. The energy, the commitment, and the partnership is how you make great things happen, and this is an example of that. So we are thrilled to be part of Bangladesh's digital transformation journey, and we're thrilled to be part of your vision for the future, and we look forward to leaping with you into this new digital age powered by AI and innovations that we might not see yet, but they're on the way, and we'll work together to make all of that happen. So thank you so much, and we are so proud and honored to be here today. Thank you, Minister.
Thank you, Garrett.